number 10, I'm converting 10.4 hours to hours and minutes. So the 10 hours, I could just transfer that over. And then to get the minutes, I'm multiplying the entire decimal by 60. So 0.4 times 60 is 24. So this will be 10 hours and 24 minutes, which should kind of make sense because 0.4 is a little bit less than half, and 24 is a little bit less than 30 minutes, which is half an hour. For 11, we have 6.8266698. So the 6 hours I can put here, and then I need to multiply the entire decimal. So again, it is the entire decimal that I need to multiply by. 0.8266698 times 60. And we get 49.600188. And this number we round to the nearest whole. So that number gets rounded to 50.